Apple Watch is already the most loved watch in the world. It keeps you healthy, active, and connected. With features like fall detection, ECG, and cycle tracking, Apple Watch is an essential health companion. It motivates you to close your activity rings and transforms the way you stay fit. And staying connected to the people and things you care about most is easy with Apple Watch, all from your wrist. In watchOS 8, we're introducing more capabilities in each of these areas. Let's start with health. More than ever, people are realizing the importance of dedicating time to practice mindfulness. In fact, the Breathe app has grown in popularity, particularly over this last year. In watchOS 8, the Breathe app has been enhanced to give you more opportunities to slow down and be mindful, including a new animation that has a beautiful look and feel to help you center and calm as you breathe. We're also introducing Reflect, a new way for you to be more mindful. For example, a reflection could be, think about something you love to do and why it brings you joy. A gentle animation helps you focus. And studies show that regular mindful moments like this can lead to increased positive emotions and overall psychological well-being. The reflected breathe sessions live in the new Mindfulness app. This will help you reduce stress and relax your body and mind. With the Sleep app, we introduced an entirely new way for you to meet your sleep goals and track metrics like time of sleep, heart rate, and even blood oxygen. In watchOS 8, Apple Watch can track another key metric while sleeping, respiratory rate. This is a vital sign that measures how many breaths you take per minute. And since your sleeping respiratory rate tends to be consistent over time, a change may indicate a shift in your overall wellness. You'll be notified if a meaningful trend in your respiratory rate has been identified. And you can see even more details on respiratory rate in the Health app. Now I'd like to turn it over to Jules to tell you what's coming to help you stay active.
Apple Watch is the perfect companion to motivate you to be more fit. And watchOS 8 adds two of the most popular workout types that are great for bringing more mindful movement to your routine. First, a new Tai Chi workout. This Chinese martial art is thousands of years old and is often described as meditation in motion. Its gentle approach can help reduce stress and find a more peaceful state of mind. And a brand new Pilates workout type, which is one of the best ways to develop core strength, posture, balance, and flexibility. Of course, another way people are staying fit is with Apple Fitness Plus, the first service built entirely around Apple Watch. We've heard from so many of our users how it's making a positive difference in their lives. And now, Fitness Plus is introducing a new series of workouts featuring Jeanette Jenkins, one of the most sought-after fitness experts. With 7 workouts focused on strength and high-intensity interval training, she's bringing the fire and her belief that all bodies are made to be strong. Because music is so key to the Fitness Plus experience, we're introducing a new Artist Spotlight series. Each workout features an entire playlist from Lady Gaga, Jennifer Lopez, Keith Urban, and Alicia Keys. The Artist Spotlight series and the new workouts with Jeanette will be available later this month. With new workout types and great new Fitness Plus content, Apple Watch continues to be an incredible motivator to help you stay active and fit. Back to you, Kevin.
Let's talk about some new features to keep you connected to the people you love. Photos are a great way to relive your favorite moments and most precious memories. On Apple Watch, the Photos face is the most popular watch face. That's why watchOS 8 is bringing another great way to enjoy your favorite photos with the new Portraits watch face. It takes the great portrait photos from your iPhone and uses the segmentation data to create a multi-layered face with depth. And you can make this watch face your own by adjusting the photo's composition and time placement to really make the subject stand out. This is really great to see live, so let me invite Chandra to show you a demo.
Thanks, Kevin. Your photo comes to life when you raise your wrist. And as you scroll the digital crown, you get a view of the dynamic composition that makes this watch face extraordinary. You're gonna love how this face keeps you connected when you can't be face to face. Speaking of photos, the Photos app itself has been completely redesigned. It now includes memory highlights, featured photos, in addition to your favorites. If I tap into this memory, I can scroll through the all-new mosaic layout. My daughter Wesley and I adopted our puppy Fondue last year and are missing her during the day. The new Photos app makes it simple for us to quickly reminisce. This picture from my memories is a good one. I'm gonna share it with Wesley to remind her we're not always missing Fondue's best moments. If I tap the share icon, you'll see that we now have support for sharing photos via messages and mail directly from my watch. Let's get this over to Wesley. I'm going to tap Add Message to show you that we've made it even easier to compose a message. We can now dictate, scribble, and add emojis in the same view. I always find it easy to dictate my messages. Remember this? If I tap Scribble, I can edit my text in line by selecting and deleting what I'd like to change. And I can use the crown to move the cursor and add additional text. And what message is complete without emojis to get a point across? By tapping the emoji icon, I can add multiple emojis while in the Scribble view. watchOS 8 makes it easy to send the perfect message right from your wrist. That was quick. Wesley must have the puppy on the brain too. And with GIFs now on Apple Watch, I can reply as comedically as I would from my iPhone. In the new app shelf, you'll find hashtag images. You can search for the perfect GIF or choose from your recents. I think a facepalm best captures how this photo makes me feel. And that's a look at what's coming in watchOS 8 to keep you connected to the people and puppies you care about most. And now, back to Kevin.
We think you're going to love these new features in photos and messages. And of course, there's so much more, including next hour precipitation, support for find items, and multiple timers. watchOS is the world's most advanced wearable operating system. And watchOS 8 takes it even further with new features to help you stay healthy, active, and connected. And now, over to Craig.